Alright, it's Friday after work. We're gonna go home, we gotta pick up Kay, and then we're gonna go do some photos. So, I don't really know how much I'm gonna record of the actual photos because we have my friend Michaela. I'll tag her, I'll put her little Instagram in. Oh, John was sleeping at the light. But I'll plug her Instagram here so you guys can see it. I'm sure she'll post the results. But we're heading out to pick her up. And we're gonna go meet Michaela. God, I am just repeating myself like a fucking idiot. The pre-workout I took is not gonna go to proper use. I was supposed to go to the gym, but plans changed. So we're going home. And then we're gonna go meet Michaela over at it's called the Summit in Danbury, but I don't know if that spot's really gonna work out or not, because sometimes the security guards are cool and you can take pictures and do whatever. Other times they're assholes and give you a hard time, so we'll see how it goes. But also the bike's covered in fucking pollen, of course, and dirty as shit. Nice little Lambo there. Alright. Oh, I could... dude. Just so tempting to... fuck it, we're doing it. Fuck it, we're doing it. Oh. Of course, we already missed the best part of it, but... we got places to be and people to see, my G. And straight away like that, I don't know why it doesn't have... oh boy, I don't really know what this road even is, to be honest. God, Mr. Police Officer, I'm pretty sure this is a 25. Might be a 35, I don't really know, but... let's see. He doesn't look thrilled with me. Ah. Alright, boys. We got the bitch. And now we're gonna go do the photos. I did the introduction already on the way home from the work and shit, so the peoples know where we're going. So yeah, I already said I repeated the intro probably 4 or 5 times because my autism was like on high ticking today. So when I was leaving, and I took pre-workout because I thought I was gonna go hit legs, and she messaged me literally like 10 minutes after I took it, and I was like, God damn it. So I was dealing with the caffeine hit from that. So we're running a hair behind. We told her 6:30. She got there at like 6:15 because she left early because she didn't know if there was going to be a ton of traffic on 84 or whatever. So she's already scoping out the area, but it's a pretty simple layout. It's kind of sick. And like that main area, especially like at night, because it's not as busy. It's a business park, but it's also like under construction. So there's a lot of like... it's been under construction for like 2 years now, though, so I don't really know what the plan is there. So there's always like traffic in and out, and there is security. But when I went to shoot there I think it was with Alex's car, his Cruise. The security guard actually opened up a security gate so we could get to part of the abandoned garage that was up there.
Yeah.
So he was cool. So it's just hit or miss, and as long as you're not going in there doing burnouts and rev bombing, like, I feel like they don't care. So, I mean, worst case scenario, they're just gonna pull up and be like, hey, you can't do that, and all right, we'll go find a different lit up spot to do just like night photos. And I'm kind of glad it's not gonna be like a nice sunset anyway, probably, with all the clouds. So, because originally I was going to go up to the Oxford airfield, that I took the other one with the white bike, all those photos. Oh, road snake. MotoGP!
Get that lean, baby.
I was leaning and then I got pushed to, oh, pay attention.
God, that hurt my coochie.
That's my job. Alright, I should have went around this guy. I didn't realize we were gonna do negative mock Jesus. I also I don't remember how far up the turn was. I believe it's at that light. Hopefully my hair's not all fucked up when we go to take photos without helmets.
I have my brush.
Yeah, I was gonna grab like the styling cream I have, but like it's such a pain in the ass, and we'd have to have water, wash our hands after and shit. I'm like, whatever, I can deal with some mildly messy hair. Like, even this are sick roads for like rollers. You have somebody in the back.
Yeah.
For the service.
Water.
Alright, we gotta go figure out. She's probably down low. But there's an up top garage, like, you'll see, it's sick. Alright, you gotta figure out, but you have like this over here. This is the main, the lights aren't on right now. But yeah, you just park here. The lights come on, I think it's like 7 they come on, so they're on timers.
Hey guys.
Pointing at me?
My man ZX6 Rocket is going to be taking some photos, and I'm going to take some videos of him getting his photos.
She's getting the B-roll. What are we?
I'm mic'd up. What are we?
Gang shit. Hold on, let me see so I can see. Yeah, is there a way for you to get that hair so it's not sticking down? So if I take shots without. Good enough. I'm so ugly, dude.
You're not ugly.
Good thing we got helmets, boys. In case you haven't noticed, I'm filming a YouTube video for it, so I just realized the video went live and I didn't post about it because I forgot I scheduled it, the maintenance one. That wasn't me. No. On? Yep. Oh shit. Oh. Hey babe, yeah, baby. You can just hand it. Just because it's gonna keep jabbing me. And then the high beams will only come on if I turn on, but when I start it though, they'll put all the lights on. Yeah, it'll be a little bit brighter, but it's fine. It should be good.
Guys, he's so fucking hot. I'm so gonna fuck him later. I love this man.
Yeah, I think that'd be sick. You can try it.
I love him so much, dude.
I don't know what she's saying, but she's talking shit right now.
Look at how
She's
cute
talking
he is.
hella shit right now. She's talking mad shit. I feel like today's all about experimenting. Sorry. I feel like today's all about experimenting. I feel like that's a good... Yeah, no, I know. It's fucking... Yeah, I think, again, once we're out there, like, it... Yeah. I feel so awkward. My girlfriend's so hot, dude.
Chad, he's so cute. He's so fucking cute. He thinks I'm talking shit, but really, I just love him so much. He's so uncomfy that his helmet's off right now.
Hopefully we don't forget that.
I doubt you'll forget it.
All right. Where you want us, coach? Ah. The what? Hop on, bitch.
Tell me when. Good?
Yeah. I love you, bitch.
I ain't never gonna stop loving you.
Bitch. Now, Kith. Don't hit it too hard because I don't want to scratch your helmet. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mine's a little harder than his.
Ow.
I'm sorry.
She keeps hitting me. Ass, 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 ass. You're so hot, dude. Oh, car. You got a car?
We have a car?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, hop off. Good. Doo, doo, doo.
Sorry.
Doo, doo. Boop. That's a good stretch. That's a good stretch. All right, I'll take my helmet off now so we can get some of the cutesy ones. This is what Michaela lives for. These are the shots.
Leave your gloves on?
No, I think gloves off. Gloves off. Listen. Get what you want. All right, chat. We'll see you back when we ride back because now we're doing cutesy photos.